There's potential. We might be able to use it to help supplement our workforce and make them more efficient and improve the quality. I'm hoping.
Great. And would you recommend this course or just learning more about the cobots to other manufacturers in Missouri?
Absolutely. We're a relatively small manufacturer, and so robots aren't something that we think just off the shelf. Yes, I think that they're multi-million-dollar types of projects, and this one's what, $28,000, and so that's something that's an entry-level price point that we could, if we could come up with justification, we could afford that kind of expenditure.
Was this event a good way to expose you to cobots and why?
Yes, it had a demonstration, allowed us to ask questions and that sort of thing. I saw some of the videos online. I was watching it before the class started, and trying to find something that was specific that I could say, yes, it could do what we might be able to do. But being able to ask questions in detail about could the cobot do this and this and this, and how would it do this, helped to kind of answer that question and increase the potential.
L, which is a linear move, so it will only move in a straight line. And then there's